Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the first law of thermodynamics and internal energy, heat, work related problem. Now we will discuss some other problems. I will explain the concept through problems, so you have to listen carefully. Next, the next problem is the temperature of an ideal gas increase in an. Question is temperature of an ideal gas increases in an. Option A, adiabatic expansion. A mean adiabatic, E mean expansion. B, isothermal expansion. C, adiabatic compression. D, isothermal compression. Okay. Now, how to analyze? Answer B and D is we can cancel it because these are not options. Because isothermal mean what is that? Isothermal expansion. Isothermal meaning dt is 0, T is constant. When T is constant, we cannot say temperature of an ideal gas increases. So these two are not the option, then you can do not consider these two options. Option may be these two. So now you should know that isothermal or reversible isothermal expansion. Reversible isothermal expansion, W is equal to minus 2.303 RT log V2 by V1. N mole also maybe is there, that nRT. Once again check. I think nRT. Okay, because these formulas you have to remember. nRT. Therefore here nRT. This formula is applicable for reversible isothermal expansion and reversible isothermal compression also. For both formula same. Keep in mind formula same, but sign will come different. Because expansion mean V1 is smaller, V2 is larger, therefore you will get negative. Okay, but in compression V1 is greater, V2 is smaller, then you will get negative. Negative into negative, positive. Therefore, compression mean positive, expansion mean negative. So keep in mind W is equal to negative for expansion, W is equal to positive for compression. This is clear. So this formula applicable for both. But sometimes they may give like this also, W is equal to 2.303 nRT log V1 by V2. When it is reversed, then here plus. So they will confuse you in examination which of the following formula is correct for reversible isothermal expansion, reversible isothermal compression. Like this you have to remember very clearly. Next, irreversible isothermal expansion, irreversible isothermal compression. So I want to write here irreversible IR, you can easily to remember irreversible isothermal expansion. Then you keep in mind W for work formula, what is that? Minus P external into delta V, that is called V2 minus V1. dV mean what is that? V2 minus V1. This formula is applicable for both. Why here like this formula not there? Because work formula this is. And in irreversible, this is a one gas present in this. Now this is gas pressure, pressure of gas. This is external pressure, P external. Okay, irreversible process or sudden process, and it is finite time takes. So this is V1, then it is V2 time considered volume. Then here also this is, we have the piston, and here also external pressure, internal pressure is equal, where in reversible process at each step internal and external pressure is equal at each step, but in irreversible process internal external pressure is equal at initial and final state only. Therefore, where P external is, W is equal to minus P2. This is a P1 pressure, this is P2 pressure, that P external is P2. Therefore, sorry, this P external only, but inside this is P1, this is P2. P external is equal to P2 at final stage respective. Whatever this work done is P2, V2 minus V1. Keep in mind how to identify the reversible, irreversible. In question, if they mention reversible, irreversible, good. If they not mention, then constant pressure word given in the question. Constant pressure given means that is compulsory irreversible process. So we know that these are the formulas, and these are how many formula? 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are same is there, but reverse mean here positive. This is also both same. Only plus or minus sign only change. Next, adiabatic. Adiabatic work done formula, W is equal to what do you call? NR by gamma minus 1 T2 minus T1. This is a formula. This formula applicable for both reversible, irreversible, adiabatic, reversible. Otherwise, you can write reversible adiabatic expansion, reversible adiabatic compression, irreversible adiabatic expansion, irreversible adiabatic compression. For all these formula same. All purpose formula same. Only thing, T1 is known in this formula, T2 is unknown. Then how to calculate T2, that we will discuss in the next problem also. So this is a formula. Now expansion meaning what is it? Work done. It is loss. Okay. Therefore, temperature increases in this case. Here adiabatic expansion, adiabatic compression. Therefore, compression meaning what is it? W positive. So where according to first law of thermodynamics, delta U is equal to Q plus W. When internal energy is 0, therefore Q is equal to what is that? If it is 0, Q minus W. If it is negative, then this is what is that? Positive. So compression positive means this is what is that? Q will be negative. But we want what is the temperature of an ideal gas increases in which case? Okay, so with respect we can answer this. We have to get W. Expansion means negative. When you will get negative, T1 should be greater. For expansion, then only we will get negative. And this is compression considered. Then T2 is greater than T1. Therefore, simple, this is the answer, compression. Actually, directly I can write this formula, I can explain. But to explain this formula purpose, I given all these formulas. Remember, formula respect to directly question they may ask, or their volume they may give, pressure they may give, and they will ask the work done or heat also. Okay. Here another. Next, W, if this question is very important, if W1, W2, W3 and W4 for an ideal gas, this is for ideal gas, or magnitude of work done in isothermal, adiabatic, isobaric and isochoric reversible expansion. This is reversible expansion process. The correct order is will be, here options are given: W1 greater than, W2 greater than, W3 greater than, W4. Option B is given as W3 greater than, W2 greater than, W1 greater than, W4. C option, W3 greater than, W2 greater than, W4 greater than, W1. D option, W3 greater than, W1 greater than, W2 greater than, W4. Like this they given. Now consider. Then here what is there? Isothermal adiabatic formulas are there. Expansion. This is formula for isothermal, reversible isothermal expansion formula. Next one, adiabatic formula is there. Isobaric, isochoric formula not there. That also I will give here. W is equal to minus P external into dV. Isobaric mean what is that? Pressure constant. If expansion is there, expansion V2 minus V1, and that formula you can, this is applicable for isobaric. Isochoric mean what is that? Delta V 0, therefore W equal to 0 for isochoric, no work done. Therefore now they may ask the question like that. This is pressure, this is volume. Then you know that this is isothermal, this is adiabatic, another one is work done, this is volume constant, this is for isochoric, this is for isobaric, because pressure is constant. So pressure volume graph this is. In this, isobaric mean what is that? Pressure constant. Isochoric mean what is that? Volume constant. Otherwise this is dP is 0. Otherwise you can write pressure constant. Pressure constant. Here volume constant. This is temperature constant. Here Q constant. 0 also you can write. Now according to this, W1 is which one? Isothermal. Then this is W1. Adiabatic, this is W2. And next isobaric, this is W3. This is which one? W4. So W3, because area under this curve is known as the work done. So which is highest work done? W3. W3 respect to how many formulas are there? B, C, D are there. Then option A is not answer. Okay. Then next one is which one? W1. W1 is greater because this is. Then which option this is? D option. Next to W2, next to W3. So like this. If you don't know this graph, then you have to answer with respect to formula, mean you never answer in the examination. So this is the simplest way to answer the question. Next. Then you may ask the question, then how we know that isothermal line is up and adiabatic line is down? This will be explained in the next question, don't worry. Next one question is the work done by the gas in reversible adiabatic process. Work done by the gas in reversible adiabatic expansion process is option A P2 V2 minus P1 V1 by gamma minus 1. B option N or T1 minus T2 by gamma minus 1. C option P2 V2 minus P1 V1 by gamma, and D is none. Then you learn this formula here. This formula applicable for all reversible adiabatic expansion. This is a formula. This is a formula is there. This is look like B, but B is not. Here T2 minus T1 is there, but there T1 minus T2 is there. Therefore, that is not the answer. Therefore, answer may be in the A or C, or if these are not, then maybe answer D. Then how to answer? This you have to expand. How to expand? W is equal to N R T2 minus N R T1 by gamma minus 1. Then we know that ideal gas equation, what is that? PV is equal to nRT. This nRT is there. Here also nRT is there. nRT2 mean what is that? P2 V2. nRT1 mean what is that? P1 V1. Then option which is applicable, this is A correct. So like this immediately in your mind should be strike, then you will answer, otherwise no. So these are by practice only we can answer. Simply some simple concept remembering and answering some, it is difficult. So try to practice, because competitive exam questions are always twist. CET level mean maybe directly asked, but NEET, JEE means level, all 4 options you have to read very carefully, then only you will answer, otherwise no. So my advice is always read the question very clearly first thing. If you not understand the question, then again read the question. If you understand, read option, all 4 options, then only answer. Without reading option and directly you are going to solve in, that answer may be up to end you are solving, but answer may be present in the middle only. So try to read the options first, then only answer. Okay. The next one is for reversible adiabatic. For reversible adiabatic ideal gas expansion, dP by P is equal to option A gamma dV by V, B minus gamma dV by V, C gamma minus 1 dV by V, and D dV by V. So this question also comes in your physics, also comes in the chemistry. So you know this formula, PV power gamma is equal to K, and some other formula T power gamma P power 1 minus gamma is equal to K. Another is T into V power gamma minus 1 is equal to K. Like this formulas are there. Once again I will check that formulas are important. T V power gamma minus 1 equal to K. Okay. So based on this formula, differentiate this formula, then you will get this is. Because now this is, first you have to do U plus V differentiate, and next one is dx power En is equal, in this way you have to differentiate, then you will get the answer B. You know differentiation in the mathematics, therefore I don't want to explain this, direct you will get the option this one. And isothermal expansion also, PV is equal to K. This is, you know that in the states of matter for Boyle's law, PV equal to K. So in this case, what you will get? Same like this you will get, but that time dp by dv, sorry, dp by p is equal to dv by v only you will get. Okay, but here extra what is there? Gamma is there, and here also you will get the minus sign, minus. So here also minus is there, here also minus is there, gamma only extra, then you have to take the mod, then you will get the positive answer. So gamma anyway is greater for monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic. Therefore gamma value is always greater than 1. Therefore you should remember based on this. One more question is there. So now you have to consider here, if you consider mod and here also mod, then what is that? Gamma value is greater here than this one. So one more point here. P v power gamma is equal to k, then p into p equal to k by v power gamma. Gamma value is always greater, therefore gamma increase mean volume also increases. Volume increase mean pressure what happened? Decreases. Okay, but in this case PV graph, this is isothermal, this is adiabatic. So in this case what is there? PV equal to K, P is equal to K by V is there. So here only one will be there. So comparing these two equations, pressure decrease means this is a lower pressure line, this is higher pressure line. Therefore this is. Another one is gamma is inversely proportional to slope, also mathematically you can apply. Therefore slope for adiabatic and isothermal you compare, then you will know that this is adiabatic, this is isothermal. So these are very very important, not only in our chemistry, in physics also. Therefore this graph respect to question they will ask, otherwise like this question also they may ask. So you should apply the differentiation, then you will get this. Okay. Now I am removing this concept. Next one. Here one question given. PV plot for two gases assuming ideal during adiabatic process are given in the figure. Plot A and B should correspond respectively. So here question is, they given one graph. Here pressure, here volume, and this is given like this. This is A, this is B. Okay, and this is volume pressure. Okay, then option A is helium and H2. Option B is H2 and helium. Option C is helium and neon. Option D is H2 and Cl2. Okay, so now you maybe know that these values for monoatomic gamma is equal to, gamma is equal to, gamma is equal to. For monoatomic gases, because that values immediately suddenly I am not remember, I will check here. One minute. For monoatomic 1.6, for diatomic 1.4, this is 1.33, like this. Then now you can apply here. Gamma is inversely proportional to slope, otherwise this type also is equal to K by V power gamma. Gamma value increases, then pressure should be decreases. Therefore, which gamma is greater here? Helium gamma is, gamma increases. So this is high, then pressure should be decreased, means this is helium, because second time is monoatomic and first one is diatomic. So first one diatomic, how many cases are there? These two cases are there, but second is here monoatomic, this is also diatomic, mean both lines should be equal in this case, but one lower another higher is mean this is B option is correct. So like this you have to answer. Next, one more question. Calculate the final temperature of monoatomic ideal gas. These questions are very important. Next, calculate the final temperature. Final temperature means T2 generally of a monoatomic gas that is generally ideal gas, that is compressed, reversible and adiabatic. Simply it is reversible adiabatic expansion from 16 liter to 2 liter at 300 Kelvin. At 300 Kelvin. Then how to solve this? They are asking the final temperature. Then we know that W is equal to nR T2 minus T1 by gamma minus 1. Then here volume formula not there. Therefore I given this formula T V power gamma minus 1 is equal to K. Already given these three type of formulas. Therefore this can be represented as T1 V power gamma minus 1 is V1, that is T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. Therefore T1 by T2 is equal to V2 by V1 whole power gamma minus 1. Like this we can write based on this formula. Then T1 they may give, calculate the reversible adiabatic at 300 Kelvin. So we have to calculate the final mean. This is 300 and this is T2 we don't know, and this is final volume is 16, this is 2 whole power gamma minus 1, and this is monoatomic gas mean normally I given this is what do you call 1.6 mean we can write 5 by 3, this is nothing but 5 by 3. Therefore 5 by 3 minus 1, then this will be cancelled, this is 8. Therefore what to do? 300 by T2 correct? And this is 8 is there, 8 means 2 power 3 whole power 5 minus 1, therefore that is 2 by 3, this is cancelled, then 2 power 2 that is called 4. Therefore 300 by T2 is equal to 4. But anyway I did mistake here. Compressed. So I did mistake here because this is compressed from, this is 16 to 2 liter. So what we did calculate, that is correct only, that is T1 by T2 is equal to V2 by V1 whole power gamma minus 1. Then if it is reverse, T2 by T1, that is called T1 by T2 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power gamma minus 1. Correct? Then this will be changed. This is T2 by T1. Now you can consider T2 we have to calculate. This is multiplied 300